Right, so I've actually got a video of this so that I can send this back to this company because they've just bumped me, and I'm going to check the rest of the box. So this is the cat food, yeah, that I got out of here. Almo, yeah. Got it from Amazon, Almo. I've got quite a few of them. I've got a few left in here. Right, there we go. So we've got 2. Let me check them all. I've realised. Okay, that one's fine. 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 This one is fine. I can scratch this. Now I'm going to open it. Hold on a second. Flip tape. I'm going to open this now. See if I can flip this camera. No, I can't. Okay. So, I'm going to position this right here. So that you can sort of see. Yeah? So I open it. And guess what? It's empty. They're taking the mick. I opened this one. This one's as full as houses. I can show you it's got food. I want my money back. Don't trust these people. Here we go. 1 with food in. 1 with fresh air and breeze pie. Absolutely Scott Diddley in this pack, as you've just seen me open it. Oh, my money back.